Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing clips from 3 different days and it's going to be very interesting. 2 from birthday party and 1 from Eid Milan party. It's really fun-filled video. Keep watching. Now let's get started. I will be sharing the recipe for white sauce pasta or Alfredo pasta today. It is for my birthday party. That is my son's birthday party I prepared. It was a very easy recipe. Closely watch. I am just marinated the chicken with very few ingredients: yogurt, cream, salt, pepper and ginger garlic paste previous night itself, and I have air fried it and prepared little bit of salad also for by the side of pasta and some pizza. That's what I'm doing. It's a simple pasta as usual with cucumber, lettuce and tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are very sweet. The sweet touch to this salad, I can say. Always boys' birthday parties are very easy to be managed. All you need to prepare is few dishes like how I am preparing today. Not too fancy. The friends were with mixed community, both the Desi and Canadian, so I had to choose the menu of this kind. I'm preparing pasta now. Take oil and butter together. In that, whole lot of chopped garlic. Nicely fry garlic until aromatic. Don't let it burn. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of flour, that is maida. That also don't let it burn or change the color, only until aromatic. Fry it instantly. Add milk. Keep milk ready by the side. As much as you want you can add, because that maida will give nice thickness to your milk. Now I have added pepper, salt, garlic powder and oregano or Italian seasoning also will be nice. Take a nice 1 full cup of heavy whipping cream also. Now I am adding the air fried chicken which we had prepared and kept. Nicely mix all together and wait until it's nicely bubbling. That time I am adding the cheese. This cheese is mozzarella and cheddar mixed cheese I am adding. Any cheese of your choice is okay. At this point, nicely mix. I may not show you all what I keep mixing and all. Always keep mixing in between. When it is bubbly nice, the sauce is ready, you have to add the pasta, boiled pasta. That's it. Our pasta is very much ready. Keep little bit liquidy, because as it becomes cold it will become more thick also. For adjusting that, if it becomes too thick, always keep cream and milk together by the side. Mix it and keep it in the oven. The consistency will be very much correct. Don't need to worry. Extra topping of cheese is a must for this kind of pasta and all. Do not skip. Now our pasta is very much ready and salad was also ready. In that also I kept little bit of pasta, boiled pasta to add in the salad also. That will give a nice beautiful look and feel to the pasta. Add olive oil, salt, pepper and little bit of lemon juice also and give it a good mix. That's all. Our seasonal pasta and veggies are very much ready. This kind of salad is a must for this kind of table. Sure, give it. Fill up with your table with all kids' favorite things also. So I just thought to add a little bit of fries also on the table. Now all the work is done and it's lunch time and I am preparing the table. Actual birthday for my son was in the month of Ramadan, which we celebrated only as a family, but now his friends were at home and it was not exactly birthday party, just a boys get together like that only. But for all boys to have a little feel of birthday party, instead of making any desserts, I bought cake itself for the dessert. After lunch, they themselves cut the cake and enjoyed for a little bit and we took them to the movie. That's all. Whole fun-filled day. What more they want? That's it. The boys' parties are so simple. For this party, you would have seen I have not done much. Even cake I bought from outside, as we had previous day also we had party and I was little bit busy, so very light only I prepared at home. Next I will be sharing, see the weather outside. All trees are just starting to have small shoots in them. It's going to be green in a week or so. Flowering trees are already had flowers. These all are nice full green leafy trees. Now all the video you're going to see is in the month of Ramadan. On his actual birthday day, I prepared everything at home but was not able to take too much of videos, as it was a very tiring and low with energy during the month of Ramadan. That to last few days it was really tiring. It was a simple yellow rice, very tasty rice with nice topping on it, and what I prepared was lamb shank over rice, nice white sauce over it with the side of the salad and some fries as well. And for this party I prepared the cake at home. That time I was able to make, but this time I did not make at home because we had party previous day. This recipe and all, once again I will prepare the same at home. At that time I will share. Today it is, you can have an idea what all you can prepare for a party. That is why I am sharing you the table. And this cake, most of the time chocolate cake, means this cake only I will prepare. But this time the icing is different. The icing is ganache, chocolate ganache itself I have given on request of my son. I was to buy even in the month of Ramadan. It was so tiring. I was to buy from outside, but my son very lovingly he was asking me to make, so I didn't want to disappoint him. So I made the cake at home. But really the cake came out so well, very tasty and delicious cake. We shared with our neighbors too. I got really too many compliments for the taste and the quality of the cake. Now clips from 2 days, that is 2 birthday parties we celebrated, I have completed. Now you can see everywhere flowering trees here. Some places if you go you can see nice cherry blossom flowering tree also, but I am not going to take you all over there. Now I will take you directly to the Eid Milan party. It is with all family and friends. Friends means huge lot of friends, some 25 to 27 families together organized this party. Some 2 to 3 friends together took the charge of arranging everything. You can see all kids are being very much enjoying with their goodies and treats. Lot of treat bags and goodie bags for kids too. Hearty meal and very lovely time with friends. Always after Eid, this Eid Milan parties become more memorable one. You can see that here. Very happy food, very good people, nice good community, very enjoyable, and it was a fun-filled day. Here you can see at the backdrop, very beautiful for everybody to take nice Eid Milan party pictures, and we did take also. Today in this video, I have not added too many recipes. Only one recipe I shared, that is Alfredo pasta. Other than that, no recipes. I don't want to bore you all too much. Just sit and enjoy all what we had enjoyed all through the week. That is why I did post the video also little late. You all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel LiveTastyBeHappy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.